Hi everyone, in this tutorial we are going to discuss about positions in CSS3. Let's watch Before tutorial we seen about shadows. I think how to add shadows to your text was explained in before tutorial. If you missed the tutorial, the link was available in description. I think it's like a very clear explanation, guys. You can go and learn how to add shadows in CSS. Now in this tutorial I'm going to explain about position. So actually what is meant by position, we are having a property which is called position. It specifies the type, the position method. So I want to show that we are having the five properties which is very important: static, relative, fixed, absolute and sticky. So I want to use this all and I want to show that. So I'll use in down. So yeah, I want to use in down. So how it was working I want to show here. Yes, so guys, for that just I'll copy this div tag and just I'll paste this one. Yeah, of course, and I pasted and I'm removing this div class. So here I want to write the position tag. So yes, just give the div dot. You can give stat or stat start, whatever the class name you can give, and just write the things which is like we are having a property which is called position. So I want to give the static. So what is the usage of static generally means? For statics are not affected by top or bottom, left, right properties. It should be static. So if you give the position should be in static, it's like a normal flow of the page. So just I'll give the position which is called static, and I want to give like border also. So yeah, because you need to understand, right? Just I'm giving the C green and just control S, and I want to tell how many pixels of the border also. So for that I'm giving the 3 pixels, and which type of like solid C green, and just control S, guys. And here also you need to give the class name which is called same name, that is called same name. Yeah, yes, it is sat. And just control S, and just reload here, and you can see that the position was like static. It was a combining of both div tags. So static means it's not take the top or bottom or anything, it's automatically reloads. So that is the usage of static. And we are having another thing which is called relative. So if you give the relative position, it's setting the top, right, left, and as well as it will cause to adjusted every normal position. So just I'll give, instead of removing this one, I'll give like relative. Then you can observe very the difference was very careful, and just control S and just reload, and you can see that you can see the difference between now and before. So this is the usage of relative. So why I am explaining these all things, guys? While you are using in website, if you want like a particular positioning, so then these all things are very helpful. And you can give the thing which is called right or left. I'm giving the left. So I want like left should be like 50 pixels. Then you can see the output. Just control S, guys, and just reload, and you can see I'm getting like a left side should be like a 50 pixels. And we are having fixed. So that means fixed element, it should not leave gap in the page. It's normally it's located. So you can use, instead of that you can use fixed also. So just give the position should be fixed. So like that we are having another thing which is also called absolute. These are all advanced, guys. If you want you can use. But why I explain position means, if you want the div content, the content should be in particular position. So of course you need to know the position property. So that's why I explained particularly in this tutorial. I hope it's like a very clear explanation. Come with another tutorial which is called CSS float. Until then, wait for next tutorial. If you really like this video, just give a share and like, and just comment in comment section. Definitely I'll give reply to your comments. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, just hit that subscribe button, and you are going to learn lot many things in this channel. And I'll come with a new video and new tutorials for you. Until then,